Yes.
All right.
Take that one.
Back filming a little bit of the greater Jacksonville. Wanting to check out the new Salt Life boat coming in. Haven't seen it yet.
Pulling up next is Andrew Pelton from Jacksonville, Florida.
Hold the chair.
I got to know who's on this boat.
No.
Salt Life's all my friends, but I have not seen that
They're
boat.
still way back there.
Do I have time to potty?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. They're coming in pretty quick. I wouldn't take a chance. No, you'd probably miss it.
Unloading the fish.
I'm gonna catch them, and I'm gonna do the video of the booth a little bit, and then probably check out. Have to leave you here with the photographer. Yep, sorry. You gonna be back tomorrow?
Probably. I mean, I have to work until like 5 or 6. But...
So you're on. What'd you say? 7th South?
7th South.
On which side of the road?
Beach side.
Okay. On 3rd.
Yeah, there's a pawn shop, a grooming shop. We're right there.
Okay. So I live right between 3rd and 4th South on 1st. So I'm right around walking distance.
We get y'all to move on down. Oh, this girl's having a little trouble seeing the boat when they're coming here to get their numbers.
Yeah, I was just trying to get that Salt
Ron
Life.
Robinson from Jacksonville, Florida on Ocean Beach just pulled away. Next boat coming in, what's your number? 193.
Well, we just got bumped.
Right.
Steve Mullen from Atlantic Beach
Where's
on
our
American
pass?
Heroes. Good job, Cap. DK's Mistake, Lowell Breeding's up next. Lowell, what's your number?
Lowell always does good.
He's stuck in the old VIP days too. Okay, Lowell's from Neptune Beach. Randy's got the fish bringing it up.
Nice. Mr. Crabtree, Randy Crabtree.
Lowell won the VIP in '99 with a 32.25 pounder.
Another old
Another
beach fisherman.
Way to go, Lowell. 478's next up. Sydney Bodie from Jacksonville, Florida.
Tiny.
He's sponsored by Highway 17 Tavern in Yulee. Are you clapping for the tavern or are you clapping for Atta, baby? You're clapping for the tavern.
That's an old boat.
Got another past winner sitting back here.
That's what's
Fred
nice about it.
Won it in a 15.5-foot boat right here. Fred, raise your hand.
Beat us out.
Everybody give Fred a hand. In
Last minute.
1995, Fred wasn't fishing this year, but he's out here to show us
6
support.
ounces. But he wasn't none of the Calcuttas. We won 35,000 in the other Calcuttas. So we were like, hey, well, that's fine.
I'm like, why do you have to get all the Calcuttas? Because you have to.
Yeah, it's like
now I know. I just learned that this year.
we were in 3 or 4 that year. We were getting just Calcutta crazy. All you got to do is win one time, and we won like 35,000 that one time, and we won it. And see, when we win it, we just start cashing out the $100 bills around. There were 5 partners. It's like bing, 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 bing. It's so much fun. It's just so much fun.
I need that.
Yeah.
I need to be in that 100 stack.
Yeah. It's Calcuttas are fun.
I'm like, what's Calcutta about? He goes, the one. I'm like, okay, no more questions.
Well, let me get you in the picture. I haven't gotten you in the picture so far. Or turn around.
Get me in the picture.
Just like
my glasses, don't you?
I love the motion waves you're wearing. Tell me about your business.
What do you want me to tell you?
Tell me where it's at.
We got free beer.
Yeah.
We do good haircuts. And we need your money.
Put this on YouTube.
Don't put it on YouTube.
Why not? It's good for your business. It's an
We want
advertisement.
all the business. We need all the business.
Okay. So where you at? What?
7th Avenue South, Jacksonville Beach.
All right.
3rd Street, beachside.
117, Robert
Come
Lindsay
see
from
us.
Jacksonville.
That's cool. How long y'all been doing it?
A month and a half.
Okay.
Still brand new. Ain't even broke in yet.
Fish to keep them in.
It's
cool.
man enough to break it in.
And what's your name?
Daisha.
Daisha. So
That's the one you want to see.
come see you.
That's the one you want to see, Daisha.
All right. Y'all listen to that now. Come see Daisha.